nationalist movement, scarcity of naira notes cash is hard on Nigerians.
INEC sets standards for the general election.
Elections not to hold in 240 polling units.
Lagos State government shuts down school over student death.
PDP cancels presidential rally in Rivers State.
Police arrest pastor with an AK-47 rifle.
Earthquake is hard on Turkey and Syria.
The UEFA Champions League is back.
It is 3 days to go for our sports competition. Good morning, director. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, friends.
My name is Fatima Mohammed Yusuf, and with me is This is News Flash this morning.
Nigerians have been faced with uncertainty marked by financial difficulty following the scarcity of naira notes. Presently, a lot of financial institutions are shut down due to the unavailability of cash to give to their customers. The few banks still open are overcrowded as customers queue up every day just to get cash. The popular POS stations, which once littered the streets, are left cashless.
The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) said it will not lower the bar for the 2023 general elections, as it will continue to upload polling unit results to the INEC Results Viewing portal. Speaking on Monday, the INEC chairman, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, said this will be the best general election ever in the history of Nigeria.
The Federal Capital Territory Police Command has confirmed the arrest of the presiding pastor of House on the Rock Abuja chapter, Uche Aibe, for wielding an AK-47 rifle while addressing the congregation. The command also confirmed the arrest of the church's chief security officer and Inspector Musa Adu for releasing his gun to Aibe.
Head of the forthcoming general elections, the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has disclosed that no elections will be held in 240 polling units across the country. The INEC chairman, Mahmoud Yakubu, revealed this on Monday at an ongoing meeting with leaders of the 18 political parties at the Commission's headquarters in Abuja. Yakubu said no new registrants chose the polling units and that no voters indicated an interest in transferring to them during the last continuous voter registration (CVR) exercise, mainly for security reasons. This means that no election will hold in these polling units, Yakubu said. He revealed that the polling units are located in Edo, Kwara, Rivers, Zamfara, and Imo states. According to him, Imo State has the highest share with 28 polling units.
The Lagos State government has ordered the temporary closure of Christian school located in Obebi Ikeja, Lagos State, following the death of a student of the school named Whitney Adayemi. The closure was ordered pending the outcome of a full investigation into the unfortunate incident. A 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck southeastern Turkey and northwestern Syria early Monday morning local time. Its tremor could be felt as far afield as Lebanon, Cyprus, Greece, Israel, and Palestinian territories. A second quake, which recorded a magnitude of 7.5, struck just 9 hours later. So far, more than 25,000 people have been killed as a result of the quakes, and tens of thousands more have been injured.
It is 3 days to go for our inter-house sports competition. We believe that everyone is preparing seriously and may the best house win.
Thank you for watching and listening.